we're going to need dark and white chocolate, some water balloons, some different berries. I've got blueberries, raspberries and strawberries, and I've got almond flakes and hazelnuts to decorate at the end. Melt your chocolate in a microwave with 30-second breaks, or do it over the double boiler. Spray a little bit of cookie spray onto each balloon and then just wipe it around, because we don't want it too greasy, but we want to make sure the chocolate comes off easily. Make sure your chocolate is not hot when you dip in your balloon, or they will explode. Dip each balloon and coat it around, and then place it onto your parchment paper. Place your balloons into the fridge until they're nice and set. I have melted my white chocolate and placed it into a Ziploc bag. Take a baking tray, place some parchment paper on top, and we're going to draw different shapes. These are going to be decorations for our fruit bowls. You can use any shapes you like, just make sure the chocolate is quite thick. Okay, our balloons are nice and set, so we're just gonna take scissors and do a little hole on the top, because we want the air to come out, and it comes off nice and easily, so just pinch it aside. And then add some of those chocolate decorations inside.